Hey, Mike here with Reprint, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the cap top on your Roland VS model, RF model, any model with the DX7 print head. Please note that this spring right here is very important. You want to ensure you do not lose that little spring right there. It's easy to take off if you have the right tools. I'm using little forceps, and I'm going to grab that out of there. Just grab one side, it's kind of hard holding the camera. If I lose it, I have replacement. So there we go, got that off there. Oftentimes I see these machines without the spring, and this can cause issues with your capping. So now all we have to do is push down from this side. We're gonna push down and push backwards, and it's just gonna pop right up just like that. I already replaced this one. So there you have your little tubes. You can pull it straight out now. You can disconnect these lines right here and replace the tube. If you're just replacing the cap top, do me a favor, whenever you pull these off there, trim a little bit of the tubing, trim it back about 2 millimeter, cut it off there so you have a nice snug connection when you put that back on. And the installation process is pretty much just leaning it down this way. This is hard with holding the camera. Actually, let me move to my other hand. So I'm just going to push down, and there we have it. It's back in. Just push it forward. We push down, then we push it forward. They can get kind of tricky with one hand, trying to keep it as steady as possible so you can see this. It's getting kind of blurry. Make sure also that spring is in the right position, but you just, there we go, push it in there, push it forward, make sure it locks in. There you go. Not very complex, but replacing your cap top, you always want to keep one of these on hand because they can just go bad out of the blue. Something with the seal, they don't seal properly. And make sure you're always using OEM, the aftermarket cap tops. I'll tell you how you can tell the difference if you have a machine you bought new and you don't know if the cap top's OEM or not. One common telltale sign is this rubber right here. Let's see if I can point to it. This is rubber right here. On the aftermarkets, I have an aftermarket right here. That area is actually hard plastic. That little groove right there, that's hard plastic. That's how you can tell the difference between the two. Rubber versus hard plastic. These are the devil. They do not work properly. Most of the time. I've seen them work a couple of times, but usually they don't. So try to steer clear from those and use OEM parts, and you'll be much happier in the long run. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.